Our next question is from Jen R2120. And this is a testimonial that has good points for Al to elaborate on. Jen says, I now do RSO as a suppository. I just got off 20 years of pain meds after having broke my neck, back, and both feet. Anyways, those suppositories are the only way to go for large amounts of RSO. I'm on suppository at 250 milligrams, which is a quarter gram each dose, and no high this way. If I take it orally, heck yeah, I can get super high. Al, what do you got from this?
Okay, so there's a few different things with this, and one thing that I'll mention is, so she got a severe injury, like broke her neck, back, and both feet, right? So there's like crazy amounts of injury and pain, and that's like the whole chain, of movement basically for you. So you suffer a lot with that, and you get prescribed pain meds, and there's a possibility of getting like an opioid addiction from that. So we're not saying that Jen had that per se, but like it's prevalent in the United States to get an opioid addiction from pain meds, and that's one of the big things that full extract cannabis oil is good for, and CBD in and of itself is to help people to overcome that and give them an alternative path that works better and is much healthier as well. Okay, so that being said, the suppositories, they do minimize the high of the RSO or FICO, and some people feel that the suppositories work better, and they really enjoy it that way. But and if you're doing large doses on a daily basis, and then generally the like she's doing like 250 milligrams, or quarter gram at a time. So that could definitely get you high if you're doing it orally, no matter who you are. So and if you're doing that during the day and you have to work, you don't want that, right? So doing the suppository could minimize that. There are, however, people that don't do well with suppositories. Like I for whatever reason, I don't do well with them. Like I hear other people praise them, and I've tried them, and it doesn't work for me for some reason. And for those kind of people, then you can't do that. So you have to do it orally, and especially if you're one of those people that either are at risk for being addicted to opioids or have been addicted to opioids because you were on pain meds for decades, then that would scare you, and you almost want to deal with the pain, or do regular medications and deal with the side effects as opposed to have a quote unquote another addiction, right? So for those people, you do the CBD FICO, okay, and that is the best alternative because the CBD FICO actually works better than the THC FICO for pain, okay, for chronic pain, for pain from surgery, like recovering from surgery, from injury, and from like people that have had decades of chronic pain, either from an injury or surgery that they never recovered from fully, or neuropathies that they've developed, like numbness, tingling, like the dull pains, the hot knife stabbing pains, all that kind of stuff. They are better relieved, better success with the CBD FICO than the THC FICO, and it does not get you high. So you could either do the CBD FICO, you do them suppository wise as well, but you could do it orally, not worry about getting high, get the awesome beneficial effects from it, do it all throughout the day, which is better than doing super large doses. Doing smaller doses throughout the day is much better as well. So all of those things put into consideration, the CBD FICO is the way to go for people that are in massive amounts of pain, that have found that the THC FICO works for them, but they don't want to get high, for the two reasons where either they were at risk or are addicted to opioids, or they just can't get high because of work, or they want to take care of their family, or whatever reason that it is, or they just don't like getting high, which is a bunch of people that just don't like getting high. Then the CBD FICO is the ultimate alternative for them. And like we said, it works even better for pain, instances, both neuropathy kind of pains and chronic pains from injury and surgery. So it is the best alternative, and that's why I'm so proud of it. It took me 2 years to develop that beyond the THC version. Like it took me 2 more years, and I developed it for myself because I had to work and function to help people, in a logical manner all throughout the day, because I deal with people with hardcore conditions. I have to think, and be on my toes during the day. So the CBD FICO is what enables me to be able to take doses throughout the day, maintain my eyesight, and then take the high THC ones at night, because I do enjoy getting high, and then getting the benefits as well, like the being able to see,
Right.
but yeah, is that hopefully that answers the question about
Yes.
that.
Yes. Thank you.